Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a straightforward technique on how to animate still photos in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. To kick things off, you'll want to determine the endpoint for your image. Simply drag the white handle at the clip's edge to your desired duration. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be setting it to 5 seconds. Feel free to adjust according to your preference. Once set, navigate to the video tab and position your timeline slider at the photo starting point. Here's where you'll introduce your first keyframe for the position property. Now, as you progress to the photos and modify the clip's position as desired, you'll notice this initiates a basic sliding animation, which is a great start. For those aiming for a more dynamic touch, here's a step up. Select your image's duration once more. With the timeline set to the photo's commencement, introduce keyframes for both zoom and rotation. Navigate to the video's end, adjusting the zoom to 1.25 and setting rotation to 8 degrees. As a result, you will get a captivating spiral effect that truly animates your still image. And that is it. That concludes our guide on animating still photos within DaVinci Resolve.